we are very near to the border of Koregaon village. So Koregaon village border just start from, if you just walk for 1 kilometer, you will reach at the place called Bandeshwar. So Bandeshwar is the border from where the Koregaon village starts. So Koregaon is one of the, it is the biggest village of the Pernem Taluka, covering the area of more than 2000 hectares. So Koregaon is the village where the lifeline of Pernem Taluka rises. Got it? No, there's two important rivers of Pernem Taluka, Mandre and Harmal. Both these river rises in the Koregaon forest. So Koregaon, was full with the Kajro tree. So that is why it got the name Koregaon on the Karo tree. So in the just few meter away from this barn, you can see the first settler. They came. This most probably they came through the river, and then they established their kuti marun mathi nirman keli at this place. So that is why this place is known in whole of Pali village as Barazon. What is no? So 12 persons were involved. They maybe belong to the different profession, art, craft. So they were responsible for establishing this village. So this is the place where you can see the huge Terminella Bellarica tree is there. Bhutting is there. Then you have the very beautiful Kajro tree is there. Very huge Kajro tree is there. And uniqueness of this grove is you will find the Garkani. Got it, no? Netum. So Garkani is also there. Then you have the Olache Zad. So the place is very unique. So if you start identifying the various trees, you will see that this was the place which was full with the numerous type of the botanical heritage. So this is the Barazan. There is one more place in Pali where you will find Baranso Wangad. So he is a Holy Spirit. So his shrine is also there under the banyan tree. You can see the people who were once upon a time worshipping different type of the god in the form of the trees. So they gave us very unique culture, and it is our responsibility to carry forward this culture. So this parikrama we have organized with the motto that the main the student who are aspiring education, they should concentrate their attention on the historical research, geological research, got it, no? Ecological research. This is the eco-theology. Our ancestor, they gave us a beautiful philosophy that is rooted in the tree. Got it, no? So tree worship cult was very much strong in India, and this is the sacred grove which tells you about all this heritage. So if you visit the Baraso Wangad, where the Chitpavan Kelkar family, the main priest family of this village reside, there you will find the Baraso Wangad. So Baraso Wangad is there. I have already told you about the Brahman is there, that is represented by the jackfruit, got it, no? And there are almost 10 to 12 banyan trees are there. So banyan tree represent Rashtoli. So there are almost 5 Rashtolis are there in this village. So all this tells you the Kaya Shinecho Devchar, for example. If you go, you will find very unique place full with the tall towering trees. So all this is our heritage. So let us take the pledge to protect it, understand it, got it, no? So now through the, there is one poem, have you seen the God? Answer is no. Have you seen the wind? No. But when wind blows, we say, see, wind is blowing. So God is like that. Thank you very much.